highway road on the southbound side of Highway 67. And according to a couple of callers here, they've slowed down 67 again, converting all the traffic out onto Highway 3. That's going to add you communities. Normally you head down the 67.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, oh my goodness. My goodness.
Blocking the middle lanes here, drive. Starting to back up right around Van Nuys Boulevard. San Dimas on the 210 westbound, just over San Dimas Avenue. Crash is still blocking the two right lanes, and that's a heavy drive from about Town Avenue. KFI in the sky.
Wow! Oh my goodness.
get thrown around, but we keep going on believing. And on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. Red light, red eye. But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. We both have thoughts of leaving, when thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it.
How many red light runners are we gonna have? Good golly. And then we got a big one walking here. Might as well. We're in the day.
But this time it's not about escaping.
Run the red light, bicycle. Stop, bicycle, stop. Where's your stop?
We both have thoughts of leaving, when thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing,
Oh, good
and
stuff.
on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it.
After the green, and we go.
It's gonna be red.
So it's okay.
I can't go on the red.
Yeah. We stop.
Should I save that one?
Ora mong go mong tigo ko stop na dyan ko after na kung kang green go ta.
I saved it.
Oh, red. Okay, we go. It's red.
No, go on red. Stop on green, go on red. I got it. Got it.
Ay, may mga bus pa dyan mo. Ay, mga 9 o'clock para ang kwan mo. Ay, tanggalin. Na. Para 9 o'clock.
Cody, don't ever take driving lessons from Mama.
No, Alex.
Hey, what happened?
Each and every one of us has a critical role to play in stopping the spread and transmission of the virus. There's no need for anybody in the country to hoard essential food supplies.
Well, I'll give you some live coverage right now. I'm on the way to work, and today is March 20, the first day of California Governor Newsom's stay at home. Let me tell you what, not everybody's staying home like I knew. There's some people got to go to work. They, like myself, I've been ordered, I have to go to work. The Navy needs its workers. The Navy never sleeps. The Navy never shuts down. And there's a lot of other folks here I know don't work for the Navy, but they're on the road here too. You can see them right up there. There's a few behind me. It's not as heavy traffic as it normally is, but it is 6 o'clock in the morning here, or just after 6 o'clock in the morning. And there's somebody walking right there, and man, it's not a ghost town.
Things a little crazy and disorienting right now, dealing with the COVID-19 virus.
All right, so here we are on the Coronado Bay Bridge going over San Diego Harbor, and I see a lot of cars out here. Not as many as normal. The buses are still running. As you can see, I just passed one. Here comes another bus on my left. These cars are still going. Coming to and from Coronado. The Navy's job never stops.